Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for turning in my for Valentine Day home decoration video. Valentine Day is such a fun and special occasion, and what better way to celebrate it than by sprucing up your home with some festive decorations. In this video I will be showing you some easy and budget friendly dyes that you can add some love and romance to your home. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Okay, let's start it. The first dye I have for you is a Valentine Day wreath for your front door. For this, you will need foam bed scissors and a hot glue gun, some pink and ribbon, and some heart-shaped decorations. First, cut the foam board into a heart shape using the scissors. Next, take the hot glue gun and attach the pink and red ribbon to the foam upward, making sure to cover the entire surface. Then add the heart-shaped decorations to the wreath using the hot glue gun. You can use as many or few as you would like, and you can mix and match different styles and sizes. Once you are happy with the way it looks, hang the wreath on your front door using some twine or ribbon. Is not it cute? It's a simple and easy way to add some Valentine's Day cheer to outside of your home. Now let's move on the living room. One one way to add some Valentine's Day flair to your living room is making by some heart-shaped pillows. For this dye you will need some red and pink and fabric, a sewing machine, some stuffing and a heart-shaped template. First cut out two heart shapes from the fabric using the templates. Then place the fabric hearts right side together and sew around the edges using the sewing machine, leaving a small opening for stuffing. Next, stuff the pillow with the stuffing. Make sure to evenly distribute it. Finally, see the openly closed and you have a cute and cozy heart-shaped pillow. You can use these pillows to dress up your couch bed or even add them to a cozy reading nook. Now let's move on the dining room. One way to add some Valentine's Day cheer to your dining room is by setting the table with some festive touches. For this you will need some red and pink table linens, some heart-shaped placements and some pink and red candles. First lay down the red and pink table lines on the table. Next add the heart-shaped placements and then set the table with your favorite dishes and glasses. Finally add the pink and red candles to the table for some ambiance. Don't forget to add some fresh flowers to the table as well for a pop of color and a touch. And there you have it, a beautiful decorative table for Valentine Day dinner at home. Finally, one way to add some Valentine Day cheer to your bedroom is making heart-shaped garland.